Hello there. Greetings from Full. After modeling a few animals, let us try some furniture objects. Today we are going to learn how to create a wireframe chair. Some of you may have watched it among my shorts. Let us scale a bit the default cube, its size should be close to the chair one. Switch to edit mode. Delete 2 from the upper vertices. Now we are going to do some loop cuts. Scale some of the distances between vertices to make the shape a bit smoother. Extrude the highest vertices. Do the loop cuts again in the seat part. Now select the side vertices and extrude them downwards. Scale them along x-axis. Rotate a bit the back. Switch to object mode. Go to modifiers and select wireframe. Let us scale a bit the bottom distances between points along y-axis. Scale the whole chair. Thanks for watching. In the next video you will see how to add materials and a cushion.